In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to sign up to Grok AI. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing we need to do is go to x.ai or click the first link in the description. Then you need to click Try Grok in the top right. Then again in the top right, you will need to select sign up. From here, we have the option to either sign up with X, email, Apple or Google. I'm going to select Google and sign into my Google account. You can now start using Grok AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.